Today, Rachel and Cassidy are visiting.
I love birds.
We were supposed to go to Sandcastle this morning, but it's pouring outside, so here we are. We went to Pamela's, but forgot to vlog. Yeah, but it was good, and yeah.
This reminds me of art class when we learned about the different columns. I think these are Corinthian. Solid 6 out of 10 at best.
8.5.
People are corn.
Guys, what if all these people came to life at night?
I think they do.
I think so too.
I want to try.
4 people are going to do it at once. Oh wait, you're supposed to hold it right there.
Wait, okay.
About to go see the dinosaurs.
So did you know, apparently dinosaurs had feathers. Not what you thought they had.
AKA they're all giant chickens.
Science. What looks scary? I got yelled at because I touched something. The thing was on the floor that said do not touch, so like,
You touched, you got yelled at.
I'm embarrassed.
I think all of this is really stupid. It doesn't make sense.
This is why we couldn't go to Sandcastle. So tonight, our plan is to go to Mount Washington and watch a movie in the park.
The movie is SpongeBob, so we're really hoping that this weather stays nice.
So it's not rained out.
Yeah.
Now we're about to go inside the Cathedral of Learning. We're in the Cathedral of Learning currently.
Yeah, people just casually be like, this is no big deal to these people.
Yeah, this is where people do homework
It's
at
like
Pitt.
Hogwarts.
We're checking out the nationality rooms. We are currently in the Welch room.
We proudly St. Crispin's Day.
Yeah.
We're in the Turkish room now.
Once again, where's the menu? Yes.
The Armenian room.
The China-master rooms design.
The Japanese room.
If I was in any sort of
This
club,
room is absolutely gorgeous.
if I was in any sort of club, I'd be like, we're meeting here.
The Austrian room.
We survived.
We made it. So today, we forgot to record it, but we went
To Randyland.
to Randy.
If you haven't been, please go. Here's his card with all the information you need. It was a great old time. And we took a photo with Randy and he
got
gave us
to
some
meet
great life
Randy,
advice.
and he was very inspirational.
Great guy. The world needs more people.
We need more people like him.
Like,
Oh, they're clapping.
I can't even look away.
So we just spent the last hour at the Arcade Comedy Theater.
We did. It was great. There was some improv. There was some comedy.
It was also fun.
It was fun.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
So we were gonna go to the park to see a movie, but it's raining again. So we're gonna just keep on driving, I guess. We'll keep you updated. So here we are.
Something wet.
We're a little bit damp, not gonna lie to you, but here's the city kind of behind us. There's a lot of trees.
The movie is canceled. There's nobody.
Yeah, we
here.
came. There's no one here. Let me just show you how vacant. That's where a movie should be, and there's no one.
So we're at Dave and Andy's.
We are. We made it.
It's cold and rainy, so what we decided to get ice cream.
Obviously.
Watch your step as you are out of the theater and far away. Let's shift.
So it's the end of our day, adventuring in Pittsburgh.
Went to the movies, saw Nerve. It was really good.
It was really good.
It was so good.
It was very suspenseful. Felt like we were
10 out of 10 would recommend.
dying the whole time. And
It was a huge
it was
twist.
just crazy. It was great though.
Yeah.
But overall, we had a very fun day, despite the rain.
Yes, we made the most of it.
What do you think, Cass?
About the movie? Or
Just about the whole day.
The day was very, very fun. I had a lot of fun. Much fun. Very
Yeah. Signing off.
Cutting off. Good night.
Good night, YouTube.